Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a fish. Make a D in the opposite direction. A triangle to make its tail. Color. Now let's blend the colors. Use 3 different shades of red and create a fading effect over the face. Now take 3 different shades of green and color over the tail. Do you know that fish can talk to each other? Amazing, isn't it? Share this fish art with friends and family. Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.